how to create stunning animated slide in PowerPoint. So if you want to create stunning animated slides in PowerPoint, then first you need to open up your PowerPoint. Once you open up your PowerPoint, as you can see that here I've inserted an image. So go with insert, which is on the top left, go with pictures, and then insert an image or a photo. Once you've inserted a photo, now what you need to do is just simply go with insert again and then go with shapes and insert a shape. Now once you inserted a shape, you can adjust it. As you can see that I've adjusted like this. So go and adjust it. Now go with shape outline right here on the top and then go with no outline. And make sure the shape is white. Go with shape fill and I'll just simply go and select white. And once you've selected, now what you need to do is go with insert and then insert a text box. Once you've inserted, now type something. Now adjust the text however you like. In my case, I want a big text. Once you have a big text, now what you need to do is select the text box and the shape. Once you've selected both, you can go with shape format and then go with merge shapes. Click on combine. Now once you've combined, now you need to right click right here and then go with a duplicate slide. Now zoom out. What you need to do is select the text and make it bigger. Now once you make it bigger, you need to go with transitions and then go with morph. Now go with insert, which is on the top left, and then insert a new slide. On your new slide, you can go with your title and then insert something, add some text. Now go with transitions, which is on the top left, and then go with push. Now if you go with the top left, which has the presentation option, then you will have this kind of interface. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.